Forecast with meteorologist Chad Evans. Certified by the National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
Well, a spring-like warm front is lifting northward with time this evening. The warm front now just starting to move into our southern counties, and along and north of it, still some showers around, but the bulk of these showers will gradually get out of here as the evening wears on. Still some patchy light showers and a little drizzle down here in our southern counties. It's showery in Lafayette, West Lafayette, all the way up through White County, up towards Rochester. But as we go into the evening, this will move northward. Notice there's not much going on south of it, so a little patchy drizzle, mist, a few sprinkles, and a little fog. But otherwise, the more substantial rainfall will get out of here. Now, the big storm is developing to our southwest. We've got a lot of tornadoes, severe weather here. There'll be much more where that came from. And all these are winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings, and now winter storm watches for Iowa, Minnesota, and Wisconsin. This is going to be a pretty powerhouse storm, and some of these areas up in Iowa could get over 6 inches of snow. But in the meantime, no snow for us. It's just a gray, overcast evening. Still pretty mild, though. Temperatures running in the 50s. 54 Rochester, 56 Lafayette. But it's 58 at Crawfordsville as the warm front is slowly creeping northward. And as the warm front lifts northward, two things are going to happen. One, the rainfall coverage will come down. So after some scattered showers at 7 with 50% coverage, 9 through 11, it's mist and a little patchy drizzle. So I kept 30% coverage of any rainfall. And notice the temperature coming up a little bit. Will be around 60 at 9 right through 11 with winds out of the south. And temperatures won't change much at all tonight. A little fog in places, and then a largely dry Tuesday, windy and warm. Wind gusts to 32 miles an hour. Then we have a band of rain and storms that'll come through tomorrow night, early Wednesday morning around here. Tonight, again, the temperatures won't change much at all. In fact, they may rise a couple of degrees or kind of wobble back and forth. 57 generally for the low at Monticello. 58 Lafayette, 59 Attica, about 60 at Petersburg, and about 54 up here at Denver. And tomorrow, a lot of clouds, some sun mixing in at times, windy out of the south, and nothing more than a couple isolated showers. 70 Monticello, 71 at Lafayette, 70 Frankfort, 71 Attica. It's going to feel like a spring day, if you will. 72 at Petersburg. Tonight, notice the rain kind of shutting down somewhat. Even tomorrow morning at 9 a.m., there's really nothing going on, just a few peeps of sun. That'll be the case through the day. Models want to crank out a couple isolated showers in the afternoon. If there's anything, it'd be very isolated. It's dry at 7 p.m. tomorrow night. Here come the rain and storms. Now, this will likely be what is left of a severe weather event from central Illinois down into Missouri, Arkansas. You can see this line of storms, but notice what happens to that line of storms as it moves eastward. See kind of how it weakens. Not overly concerned about severe weather, just a band of rain and storms coming through. There's the map Wednesday morning at 7 a.m. 7-day forecast, 71 tomorrow, warm. Any rain will be confined to the morning hours on Wednesday, 56, but then falling during the day. 48 Thursday, 51 Friday, and then warms up again. 66 Monday. We'll have rainfall totals at 6.
Okay, very spring-like.
Yes.
Keeping that snow off to the west, though, right?
They can have it.
Yeah, they can, for sure. Okay, coming up.